Do you want fast access to your Documents folder in Windows 11? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a document shortcut right next to your power button in your Start menu, so it's always just one click away. So no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. So over here in Windows 11, we need to go ahead and open up our settings, and I find the easiest way to do that is to go to your Start menu and right click on it rather than left click. So we'll right click there, and you should see this settings option right here. You can go ahead and select that. Now, once your settings are open, over on the left-hand side, you'll see a whole bunch of different options, and we are looking for personalization. You can go ahead and select that. And under personalization, if you come down, you'll see the Start option right here. You can select that or left-click on it. And then under personalization Start, there's an option that says folders, and it says these folders appear on the Start menu next to the power button. So go ahead and select that. Now this will give you a whole bunch of options here, and there's toggle switches off to the right. So we're looking to add our Documents folder right here. So go over from there and you'll see the toggle switch. And if we go ahead and turn that on, just like that, now it should be on in our Start menu. So if we come down here, go to our Start menu, you'll see a little document next to your power button now. And you can go ahead and left click on that. That'll give you really quick access to all your documents. So hope this quick tutorial helped you out in adding a Documents button right next to your power button here in Windows 11. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.